Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi my love! 11:01 on the clock at oras na para pagbigyan natin ang ating Byahe Sender of the night. Ang kabisyo natin na medyo some kinda not feeling well at may pinagdadaanan sa buhay na gustong humingi ng payo mula sa ating programa. So eto na nga my love, basahin na natin siya. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. So ito ang biyahe ni Sire. Ito naman ang name nito, Sire. Anyway, sabi niya dito, hi po DJ Lala, pwede po bang maghingi ng advice? Kasi po yung taong gusto ko, parang hindi ako nakikita pag chinachat ko. Scene lang. Habol ako ng habol tapos yun, nakampanting siyang wag akong pansinin. Ano po ba ang maganda kong gawin sa ganun po? Thank you and more power to your show. O diba? Gusto ko siyang sabihin, nasa dulo siya ng dila ko, but I should not. Kasi I should treat every problem as sabihin na natin as grave as anything else na tinatalakay ko sa programa. But some others would see this problem kasi as a simple type of problem. So ang problema niya lang is meron siyang gustong tao, chinachat niya, sinisin lang siya, habol siya ng habol, but then again this person is complacent enough not to respond to any of those messages. My love, if I'm not mistaken, sa ganitong klaseng pagkakataon, isa lang ang ibig sabihin. If the person can see your message and would not reply, ibig sabihin that person is choosing not to reply. That person chooses not to respond to any of your messages. Pinipili niyang wag mag-reply, pinipili niyang iwasan ka, pinipili niyang manahimik kesa kausapin ka, pinipili niyang iwasan kung ano man yung tinatakbo ng relationship ninyong dalawa. If ever na nagumpisa kayo sa mga moment na naglalandian kayo, naghaharutan kayo, at sweet kayo sa isa't isa. Unfortunately, my love, as for that person on the other end of that message, yung sweetness na yon, yung kilig factor na yon, nagsubside na. Ibig sabihin, wala na sa kanya yung kilig factor. Right now, ang namumutawi na sa isipan niya ay yung katotohanan na gusto niya lang yung kilig, pero hindi niya gusto yung commitment that can come along with it. Gusto niya lang yung harot part, pero that's it. There's no more to it than that. Yun na yung sukdulan ng kaya niyang ibigay. So if you are asking me, what will you do sa mga ganitong klaseng sitwasyon, you have to accept to yourself that maybe that person on the other end of that chat is not feeling the same way that you feel for that person. Hindi kayo parehas lang nararamdaman. Maaring ikaw hulog na hulog sa kanya, siya hindi sa'yo. That's the unfortunate and blunt reality of things that you have to accept. What do? You stop. Stop making yourself too available for people like this. Kasi kung hindi naman niya gustong ituloy itong relationship na to, ginagawa mo lang mukhang tanga yung sarili mo, di ba? Na habol sa kanya, na hulog sa kanya. And if ever naman na pagbibigyan ka niya, hindi ka niya pagbibigyan just because na-realize niya na gusto ka niya, just because na-realize niyang mahal ka niya. Hindi, pagbibigyan ka lang niya dahil nakulitan siya sa'yo. And that is something na hindi magtatagal. That type of a beginning to any relationship won't hold. Na yung taong yun pinili ka lang just because nakulitan na siya sa'yo or naawa na siya sa'yo or whatever you might wanna call it, but it's forced. That's the reason why a relationship started between you. Kasi na-force mo siya to start it with you. That kind of a beginning sa isang relationship won't hold, won't last. So, you'll enjoy it sa mga first few months kasi finally, yay! Nakuha mo yung taong gusto mo. Pero that person will never be happy with you. You'll just feel neglected, unappreciated, undervalued. At magiging more than this pa yung magiging problema mo if you'll continue on with this road. So, kung hindi niya kayang sabihin mo, hindi niya ma-muster yung courage to tell you na, hey, gusto ko yung landian part natin, yung sweet-sweetan part natin, pero yung relationship na dumudungaw sa akin that you want from me is something na I cannot give. So kung wala siyang courage na sabihin yun sa'yo, sabihin mo na lang yun sa sarili mo. Na hey, you've tried everything you can possibly do to reach out to this person. Nagawa mo nang mag-confide, nagawa mong iparamdam sa kanyang importante siya sa'yo, pero hindi niya kasi kayang i-reciprocate sa'yo kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. So, this is not you giving up. This is you telling yourself na do not give up on yourself. It's time to set that person free so I can be free. I can be free for someone who can love me the way I want to be loved. Who can love me and who can see me the way I see them, the way I love them. Someone who will give me the love that I deserve, kasi that person will also receive the love that I can give. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? So make yourself available for the person naman that will appreciate you. Kasi that person cannot and will not ever have the opportunity na iparamdam sa'yo na gusto ka niya, na maaring pwedeng maging masaya ka sa kanya kung ikaw nakatingin pa sa iba, sa isang taong hindi ka naman tinitingnan. Naintindihan mo ko? See the cycle in there? Break the cycle. Sabihin mo na sa sarili mo, it's enough. Okay na yun, chinat ko na siya, nagparamdam na ako sa kanya, di niya ako nireplyan, di niya ako pinansin, ayaw niya na, it's enough for me. At least I tried. I just don't want to go about my life thinking na sana pala sumubok ako. Kasi sinubukan mo naman. Naintindihan mo ko? Kung di ka niya pinansin, please do not ever think na there's something wrong with you, na may kulang sa'yo, na hindi ka dapat mahalin, na hindi ikaw yung tipo ng taong worthy mahalin. It's not like that. It's just that in this world, simple lang naman. Hindi lahat ng taong gugustuhin mo, gugustuhin ka din. Hindi lahat ng taong mamahalin mo, mamahalin ka din. Hindi lahat ng taong itatangi mo, itatangi ka din. And sometimes you cannot do anything about that. You just have to accept that. Klaro? Klaro.